Timmy Andrew.
Timmy Andrew. And I love the picture that you signed.
Oh, yes.
And I can't thank you enough for it.
I'm so pleased.
I have pictures of actors and actresses that are signed, and to me, the one I treasure the most is the one that you signed for me, which I have in front of me right now that I'm looking at.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. That's very nice of you. Thank you very much.
How is the weather there?
Very nice.
Do you think you'll ever...
For a change, it's quite beautiful. It's nice enough to go out in the garden every day.
Well, that's very good.
It's really good.
Can I ask your age, or I'm not supposed to?
Well, I'm the same age as the Titanic.
Oh, my God, that's right. So that would be 92.
No, 97.
You're 97?
Yeah.
My father will be 98 in June.
Really? Well, I'm John.
Well, that's very...
Is he all right?
He's still driving a car and still cutting wood, and he's doing very good. I think that's the old Scottish and English in him and some Irish.
Well, that's wonderful, isn't it? And he still drives his car.
Yeah, he's still driving a car.
Well, that's fantastic.
You know how much it is a pleasure for me to see you. Do you think you'll ever come to the United States to visit?
No.
No interest?
I'm not able to.
Oh, really?
I caught an infection in the hospital, and I'm not able to walk.
Oh, boy. Well, that's too bad.
I know, but, well, it's no good. I mean, it's happened, so it's no good caring about it. I mean, it's done, so that's it. But sometimes it is a bit frustrating, I must admit.
Do you like where you're living?
Yes, I'm quite happy, really. Well, because I'm in a nursing home now permanently.
Right.
I was in my own home, but I thought if I went in my own home, I'd only have to have somebody to look after me day and night, so it was rather pointless. And they're all awfully nice here, I must say.
Well, they must be especially nice to you because I'd have to say you're probably the most popular person in the world as far as I'm concerned.
Oh, thank you very, very much.
Is there anything I can send you?
I think you're exaggerating a bit.
Pardon me?
I think you're exaggerating a bit.
No, I am not. I truly am not. I think the world of you. Did you ever see the movie Titanic?
Oh, no, I wouldn't. Because in the end, when my father was there, I'd wonder what he was doing. Was he going down the ship, or was he jumping overboard? So I wouldn't see it. It would be, even though I didn't know him, it'd be much too emotional.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
I would never see it.
I know that the song is probably my favorite song by Celine Dion.
Oh, I know that quite well, of course.
The song is beautiful, and
yes, it is. It's a very pretty song.
She's a wonderful singer.
Yeah. I agree with you. It's very nice, very good.
You've never been asked to come to the United States and to be interviewed on any of the shows or anything like that?
Well, I've been to the United States about 13 times.
Oh, my God.
Oh, I know ever so many places there. I've been there so many times. And I've been interviewed lots of times.
Are you tired of it?
Pardon?
Are you tired of being interviewed?
Oh, no. Because it's awfully funny. They asked me if I was tired of having all the people waiting for me and everything. And I said, no, I like talking.
Well, you do a great job. You were 5 years old at the time, correct?
No, 9 weeks.
Oh, you were 9 weeks old?
9 weeks old.
Oh, 9 weeks old, that's right.
Yeah, 9 weeks, yeah.
Oh, my God, that's something. That's really something.
Yeah.
And you're the only survivor as to date.
I'm the only one at the moment, yes.
Wow.
The youngest one of the lost.
That's amazing. Out here in Connecticut, which is right next to New York, our weather's about 40, 45 degrees. It's very damp today. And
45 degrees. What is that in... What are we, Bruno? Are we centigrade?
Pardon me?
No, it's right. I don't quite know what 45 degrees... Is that hot?
No, that's kind of cold. That's kind of cold and damp.
Cold and damp?
Yes. Do you play cards at all at the home or anything?
Oh, no, we don't do anything like that.
No entertainment?
Well, I know you I don't really want entertainment because I get people all the time to see me. I have interviews. I hear from so many people. I have so many letters and everything to answer that I haven't got time for cards.
And you don't mind any of it, is that correct?
Oh, I enjoy it all.
Boy, that is great.
And I must tell you something really funny. I heard from a man, and extraordinarily, he was English. And he said, if I send him a lock of my hair, he'd send me a cheque for £100.
Wow.
Well, I got one of the carers, they chopped off some hair, and we tied it with a little piece of red ribbon, and sent it off. 2 days after, I had £100.
That is fantastic.
Yeah, absolutely, because everybody said, oh, you sent your hair, and that's the end of it. But it wasn't. I was absolutely amazed when he sent me the cheque, because I thought, well, everybody thought he was just asking for a bit of my hair, but they said, you'll never get the cheque. And I had it the next day, the same day as he received my hair, he must have sent off the cheque.
Wow.
It's extraordinary. It's extraordinary the people I hear from.
That is fantastic.
Yeah, that is.
Well, that's very nice of you. At least you trust people, and I think people aren't going to do anything wrong.
Well, just when somebody came in the door, so I didn't hear what you said.
I think the whole world adores you.
Well, I don't know. I think there might be one or two who wouldn't.
Can I call you again, like maybe next summer or Christmas time?
Call me anytime you like. I'd love to hear from you.
Okay. My name is Timmy Andrew.
Timmy?
Yes, Timmy.
Timmy Andrew.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
And this is
Andrew, and I expect to hear from you, not at Christmas, at Easter time.
Easter, I will call you and wish you a happy Easter.
That'll be lovely.
That is great. And again, thank you for the picture. I'm looking at you right now.
Oh, thank you.
You're a beautiful woman.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll call you at Easter.
Easter.
Same to you.
I know. Goodbye for now.
All right, thank you.
Goodbye.
Oh, I forgot to ask you. You like to be called Milvina or Miss Dean?
Oh, not Miss Dean. Nobody calls me Miss Dean. I'm Milvina all over the world.
You like to be called Milvina?
Oh, yes.
Milvina, okay. I'll remember that, because I remember last time I talked to you, I remember it was one or the other. So, Milvina, I'm going to write that down.
Righto.
I have a bad memory. All right, thank you very much.
Righto.
Talk to you Easter.
Yeah,
bye-bye.
Thank you. Goodbye, Timmy.
Bye.
Bye.
Greatest woman in the world.